Hello, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of this chapter is All Around Me, and it's in page number 23 of your book. Open page number 23 and take a pencil in your hand. The chapter name is Good Habits, right? The name of the chapter is Good Habits. See? And so over here what do we learn is whatever the habits that we do throughout the day, it should be followed accordingly. And when we are outdoors, maybe when we are outside, you should not do something, or we should carry on with your something. So those are the habits which are good for you and which you should follow. Okay, so you need to follow some basic rules, like you all know, when you are moving in a car, you should not throw any type of litters or any type of food items on the streets, because it makes your street dirty, right? So these are the things which you should follow. So some of the pictures are given over here. So all 8 pictures are given in your book. What you have to do is you have to guess what this person is doing, and accordingly the word which is missing, you have to select from this word basket, help basket, which is given in your book, and write in the blank. Okay, first one, see this boy, what is he doing? He is throwing a banana peel on the street. So this is not a good habit, right? So any type of peel, not only banana peel, any type of peel or any vegetables or any fruits, we should not throw it. If we don't want, we can throw it in the dustbin, but we should not throw it on the street, because anyone might fall on it, or it looks dirty as well. So do not litter the, what is it, where is he walking? He is walking on the street, so it will be street. So find out the option from here. This is the option. Put a tick mark over here, write the correct spelling, write in the blank, do not litter the street. Second one, what is this boy doing? This boy is actually looking at the uncovered food in the street. When you walk, you must have seen many food stalls. The food stalls are uncovered, roadside food stalls, they are all uncovered. So what happens is lots of flies and dirt, the pollution all gets on top of the food, which is very harmful for your health as well. So what we say is that do not eat uncovered roadside food. So over here the correct option will be eat. So what is it? Eat. The correct option is over here. Put a tick mark over here and write over here, do not eat uncovered roadside food. That means it is obviously not good for your health. So we should follow this good habit, that we should not eat uncovered roadside food. This step, what is this boy doing? This boy is running on the playground. So there are small plants. What is he doing? While running, he is not even looking at his steps, he is stepping on the plants. That means he is harming the plants, which is very bad, and we should not do it. So do not step on plants or harm trees. We should not harm trees, or we should not step on these plants. This is very bad. Okay, so please write over here, do not step on plants or harm trees. Fourth one, what is this person doing? This person is scribbling something on the walls. So there are walls on the street. You must have seen the walls on the street, and many people, what they do is they just write something, whatever they feel like, they write on the walls, which is a very bad habit, which should not be done. If you can draw something very well, but scribbling something on the walls is very bad. So we should not, do not scribble on walls. The correct word will be walls. The first option, it is put a tick mark over here and write over here walls. Please check the spellings while you write. Check the spelling and write the correct spelling. Okay, fifth one, what is this person doing is, this person is walking and this person is spitting something on the road. This is a statue of Mahatma Gandhi, and this person is spitting on it. So spitting anywhere, not only on statues, on the streets or statues, wherever, we should not spit anything. So do not spit on statues or on the streets. This is a very bad habit. If you see somewhere people spitting, you should either tell them not to do so, and you should avoid doing it. So do not spit on statues or on the streets. It's in this option. So put a tick mark over here and write over here, do not spit on statues or on the streets. Now see this, these are the two children. What are they doing? They are playing on the street, and the car is coming, right? So any time the accident might occur, so there is playground for you all to play. So children should always play on the playground, not on the street. So do not play on the street. So here the option will be play, right? Play over here. Seventh one, what is this person doing? This boy, this is a small boy. What is he doing? He is touching the electric wires, which is very dangerous. Might be an accident. You might fall down as well due to electric shock. So please be very careful while touching the electric wires. So do not touch electric wires. Here the correct option will be touch. So write the correct spelling, put a tick mark over here and write do not touch electric wires. Eighth one, what is he doing? They are standing in a queue and one person is pushing the other one. So this is a very bad habit. So do not push others while in a queue. When you are standing in a queue means a straight line, a person standing in a straight line. So one should not push each other, otherwise stampede or any type of accident might occur. So you should be always careful. And children, please try to follow all these good habits, because if you inculcate these good habits in your life, you will definitely succeed in every phase of your life. Okay, it's just that you don't need to study hard, you need to learn all these habits and you need to follow them in your daily life as well. So please follow them. If you have any difficulty, please come to me. Okay, thank you, bye.